Well, I thought I'd start digging through and putting them on the shelves. I had another shelf to fill. I've emptied one box and I've still got all that to go. One box on that shelf I'll add. That one was 2 or 3 boxes. But I'll dig through for the 200. I'll find something to send. Same with Afro. I'll get a feather or 2 sent down. I suppose I better get on with digging for all this then, hadn't I? Oh. Hey, quick fossil fled. I did not get sidetracked with Lego. Honestly, I was looking for a dinosaur. Honest. Forgot I had that. Okay, I like playing with Lego. Just a little bit too much, I think. Just a bit too much.